So let's talk about using your mirror and positioning. So I'm going to start on the upper right sextant here, and you can ask your patient to turn slightly away from you. And I'm going to use my mirror for retraction. We're going to start out on the facial or buccal surfaces, so the surfaces towards you if you are a right-handed clinician. I'm going to use my mirror for retraction. And when I retract, I want to make sure that I'm not just retracting on the corner of their mouth. That can be painful for the patient, and it's also prone to slippage because with saliva it's going to be a lot slicker than using these rubber cheeks. So I want to go in to the cheek, and let me just turn this so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going into the cheek and then retracting back. So for my seated position, I'm going to be at 9 o'clock for the buccal facing towards me, and I'm using the mirror for vision, and I'm also getting just a little bit of illumination off of that as well. In my dominant hand, I'm going to use the modified pen grasp. So I've got it between my index and thumb, and then resting my third finger on it, and my fourth finger will be the fulcrum. So at the back, I'm going to have to kind of scooch back on my instrument a little bit, and then I can fulcrum along the lingual cusps of the occlusals while I instrument on this side. And you can adjust your mirror as you move forward. And you can also adjust to kind of the incisal, just kind of tipping over the incisal lingual as your fulcrum. So while the patient is in this position, without moving, we can also do the linguals of the opposite side. So the upper left sextant on the linguals. And I'm going to use my mirror again, and I'm going to just place it in. I'm resting on the side of the patient's face, and it's going to give me some vision as well as some illumination. And my fulcrum is going to be on one of these teeth along here, one of the premolars or first molars. And also I'm a little bit back on the instrument so that I can reach all the way to the back. So my fulcrum right now is on the buccal cusps of the first molar. As I move forward, my fulcrum will move forward as well. So now on the posterior sextants, for the surfaces that are away from me, I'm going to move up to the 11 o'clock position. I can have the patient either straight up, or I can have them tip towards me a little bit. I'm going to do the same retraction that I did on the other side. I'm going to put the back side of my mirror against their cheek and then pull. And so then I can see the back, and I can also get a little bit of illumination. I've got my instrument in a modified pen grasp, and I'm going to fulcrum on one of the premolars on the lingual side of the occlusal, so on the lingual cusp tips. And as I move forward, I can adjust my mirror a little bit, and I can also move my fulcrum forward a bit so that I am on the incisal edge, and I'm kind of just behind the incisal edge, or just lingual on the incisal edge as I come up to the canine. And then from this same position of 11 o'clock, I can rest my hand against the patient's face. I've got the mirror extended in my hand so that I can get it to the back without touching the back of their throat or their tongue so that they don't gag. My fulcrum finger is kind of retracting the cheek a little bit. Let me adjust this so that you can see that a little bit better. So mirror hand is resting against the face and a little bit against these top teeth. Fulcrum finger is kind of retracting the cheek and going on the buccal cusps as I instrument, and then moving my fulcrum forward as I continue up the lingual of those sextants. So now let's look at the anterior sextant. So I don't need my mirror for the facial surfaces. I'm going to use my finger to retract. And so similar to with retracting with the mirror, with your finger, you want to get your finger in and then pull up. You don't want to kind of just be going on the edge of their lips. It may feel like you're being more gentle, but actually it's just not as stable and it's not as comfortable for the patient. So get your finger in there and then retract up. And I'm going to be looking at the surfaces towards me, so I am sitting at roughly the 8 o'clock position, and I can fulcrum on the buccal cusp tips of the premolars. I'm in a modified pen grasp, and I can work on all the surfaces towards me and move my fulcrum forward, as well as my retracting finger forward. And I'm on the incisal edge as I come across here. For the surfaces away from me, I'm going to move up to the 11 to 1 o'clock position. And same thing, I can retract. And then I'm going to fulcrum on the edge of the premolar. I'm on number 6 right now. And I can work on all the surfaces away from me from this angle. And again, just moving my retraction fingers as I come across. So for the lingual surfaces, I'm going to remain in the 8 to 9 o'clock position for the surfaces towards me. And so I'm going to use my mirror, and I'm resting against the patient's side of their face, and put my fulcrum on the buccal cusps of one of the premolars. And now I can work on the surfaces towards me as I come across the mesial. And just kind of rolling my mirror in my fingers as I do so. And then for the surfaces away from me, I'm going to come back behind the patient's head between 11 and 1 and rest my hand against the outside surface of their cheek. I can use my retraction finger again, my fulcrum finger to retract a little bit, and then I will be able to work on the surfaces away from me in the mirror, coming up onto the incisals for my fulcrum as I move across.